All right, guys, welcome back to the Hillside once again. Today, we're talking about planting seeds. No, not these seeds. These are some coleus that I'm growing from seed, but that's for a different video. Today, we're talking about these seeds right here. Any idea what these may or may not be? Take a guess. All right, any guesses? Well, if you guessed apple seeds, you would be correct. Now, there's a lot of controversy, well, maybe not even controversy, about how you have to stratify or give a cold treatment to apple seeds prior to them germinating. Okay, so conventional wisdom tells you, or other videos will tell you, you get some apple seeds, you put them in some compost or some moist soil, put them in a Ziploc or plastic bag of some kind, and put them in the fridge for 3 months, and then magically they will start sprouting as if you were simulating a winter period. Well, these were in the fridge for over 3 months. They've been out for a while. Nothing. Okay, so here is the amazing story that goes with these seeds. So my daughter had been taking apple seeds from lunch from her apples, and she had been bringing them home and putting them in water because she wanted to see if they would grow. Well, you know what? They did. These sprouted within 3 days. Okay, and just to make sure I wasn't going crazy, or this was just not a fluke, I tried it again. Now these are actually a variety called Pink Lady, just from the store. You can see that of the 4 seeds I got from it, 2 are already sprouting. One at the bottom left and one at the upper right. You can kind of see the taproot just starting to come out of both of those seeds. That took 3 days. Okay, now why is this? What is my opinion on why this is happening? Well, little do you know that your fruit you get in the store isn't picked off the tree and shipped directly to you, the consumer. Okay, these fruit are picked and they are put in cold storage for a very long time until they are ready to be taken out, brought up to temperature, and shipped to your local supermarket. Okay, so what has happened with these seeds is they have been cold stratified by the just the commercial agriculture system. Okay, so if you're trying to plant apple seeds, do you need to cold stratify them? Answer is yes. Apple seeds do need to be cold stratified to grow, to sprout. Okay, but you know what? I think that just by this little experiment, I have shown that you do not need to use the plastic bag like we have right here. Okay, it's just not gonna really be necessary. It's an extra step you don't need to take. Now, if you grow your own apples, or you go to a farmer's market and you pick some very, very fresh apples, or ones that were relatively recently picked, yeah, you'll probably need to cold stratify those because they have not undergone the cold stratification period. So that being said, if you're buying apples from the store, highly, highly likely they've been in cold storage for a very long time, and that dormancy has been broken by just the long period of cold storage brought out to room temperature at the grocery store. And like I said, this is just some tap water. You can use rainwater preferably, but this is some tap water, and awesome experiment. My daughter just did it kind of as a curiosity thing, and I think it's going to be beneficial for everybody else out there. So no, don't stratify your apple seeds. Try it from the store. Prove me wrong. Prove me right. I don't care. Just go try it and see what happens, okay? Do this experiment at home. Even if you don't want to grow apples or pears or something else like that, that is something you want to plant and grow out. Try to germinate the seed. Just see if it will happen, okay? I'd like to see how many people can do this, and if it does work for you, or if this is just some kind of fluke. But you know what? The more people do it, I'm thinking this is not a fluke. Okay, this is going to happen over and over and over again. And I think this experiment has proven that the cold stratifying method that people talk about necessarily needing to do in so many other videos or talks really may not be necessary when you buy pre-cold storage stratified apples from the store. So here's just a quick tip from the Hillside Gardener. Hope this helps you guys out. I'm going to go plant these other seeds here and see what happens, and I'll see you guys next time up here on the Hillside. Until then, bye-bye.